I'm going to walk you through how to manifest $25,000 using EFT tapping or more. Now, in order to make this work effectively, you want to make a commitment to yourself to do this for the next 21 days. So give the universe an opportunity to bless your life, right? By committing to this 21 days, you can start changing your brain and change the energy in your life around what you have around money. Now, I picked $25,000 for this video, but the point isn't the number. Pick whatever number inspires you. If it's $50,000, if you want to stretch it out a little more, $75,000. If you want a real further stretch, $100,000, or you just want a small one, $100, $1,000, $5,000. The choice is yours. The point isn't the number. The point is to see how powerful your mind is when energy is shifted and by replacing old negative financial beliefs with new empowering ones. So let's begin with the karate chop to manifest $25,000 or more. Even though I want $25,000, it feels hard and it requires a lot of work. I feel like that will drive me wild. I am open to believe that it is possible. Even though I am resisting and I don't believe I deserve wealth, I accept myself. Even though I don't feel worthy of $25,000, I love myself. Even though I have blockage and resistance, I deeply love and accept myself. Even though I'm convinced that $25,000 will not come to me, I choose to claim and believe it now. Even though I don't believe I can have $25,000, I choose to change my beliefs around that right now. Even though I am blocking the money that wants to come to me, I truly and deeply love and accept myself. Even though I question my worth, and if I deserve $25,000, I choose to believe I am worthy. I am opening to receiving $25,000. Take a nice deep breath in and out. Now, on a scale from 0 to 10, how true does that feel for you? That you will manifest $25,000 or more into your life? 0 being like, hell yeah, I can feel that. Or 10 being, oh my God, that's a stretch, that's a no. So I want you to write that down. And we are going to start with the negative setup phrases. Even though I am feeling shitty, the resistance to calling in $25,000, I deeply and completely love, accept myself. Even though I'm feeling this resistance about $25,000 coming to my life, I don't want to feel like this anymore. I am feeling like resistance, lack, money is hard. I feel like it just can't come to me so easily. I am tired of money being hard. I am tired of resisting and blocking money. Why do I keep on resisting and blocking money? I attract bills all the time, but not money. I'm tired of having anxiety around money. I am over it. I want money to be easy for me. I do not want resistance or blockage in calling in $25,000. It's just so hard for me. I am so tired of resisting money. I am so ready to open up the flow of $25,000. Take a nice deep breath in and out. Check in with yourself on a scale from 0 to 10. How true was the original statement that you will manifest $25,000 feel? 0 being like, hell yes. 10 mean, oh, I'm still, yeah. We're trying to get down to 0. So let's start with the positive statements. Even though I'm currently stuck and I do not have $25,000, it is done. It is coming to me. I can feel it. I am ready for the $25,000 to come into my bank account easily and effortlessly. I know that I get to expand my capacity to receive financial wealth. I know that I get to move beyond my income ceiling. I am so grateful that I have $25,000 that came into my life. I feel more and more abundant and prosperous, worthy and wealthy and ready. I am seeing the ways that things can shift for good. I am seeing the ways that $25,000 will come to me easily and effortlessly. I am opening myself up to more abundance now. I choose to see all the ways that $25,000 will come to me. I cannot believe this. I am worthy. I know that there are many channels of $25,000 and abundance can come through and go to me and flow to me now. I also know that there are 25,000 ways for money can come to me easily and effortlessly. I am committed to being open to the $25,000. Money flows through me easily and effortlessly anytime because I am worthy and wealthy. I am abundant. I know that I can break through this financial income ceiling now and receive $25,000 because it is on its way now. I can feel $25,000 and this energy is here and I am opening myself up to receive. I'm opening myself up to financial freedom and more abundance. I love knowing that by doing this tapping, I am attracting and receiving financial wealth, abundance. I am shifting on a subconscious level. Everything is arranging and inspiring and aligning with all my desires, including $25,000. I know that things are already shifting and the $25,000 is on its way right now. I know that my income is growing and it is expanding exponentially. I am ready to enjoy $25,000 in my bank account that I am attracting the abundance and prosperity now. Woo! That felt amazing. Check in with yourself. Take a nice deep breath in and out. Let go of any resistance, the how, and know that this EFT session is here for you. Commit to 21 days. Enjoy it. Have fun with it. Feel it. Believe in yourself. Feel what you're going to see when that $25,000 comes into your life. Hear what you're going to hear when you hear when that $25,000 is in your life. Feel it with every fiber in your body. Enjoy the next 21 days tapping through this $25 EFT